When I broke my neck, I came back. I've lost fights, I've came back. I won 2 world titles.
Matapos ang isang taon ng kanyang pagka-aksidente, itong si Paz Inieza ay balik-hunting na naman sa isang championship. Itong si Paz ay may kakaibang bilis at tiksi at lakas, bunga ng pag-iinsayo. Naging matagumpay nga ang pagbabalik nitong si Paz, kaya muli siyang nagkaroon ng spot para labanan itong si Roberto Duran. Si Roberto Duran na bagamat matanda na ay wala itong kinakatakutan. Ito ngang si Duran ay maituturing natin na isang badass sa larangan ng boxing. Nagkaroon nga ito ng 119 all fight, kaya di nakapagtataka na maging idol ito ni Manny Pacquiao dahil ang last fight nga nito ay nag-edad lamang siya ng 49. Sa taong 90s, itong si Duran ay tinuring ng lipas na. Kung ang edad ang pagbabasihan, lipas na talaga si Duran. Pero marami pa rin naniniwala na kaya pa rin niyang i-upset ang batang si Paz Inieza.
Oh, he's wide open. Duran now. Connecting upstairs and out of nowhere. Sean Fitzgerald is down.
At noong 1992 to 1994, nagkaroon nga ito ng 7 consecutive injuries si Duran, pero kaya pa rin itong mag-generate ng malaking laban at kitaan.
I know he's coming to fight dirty. I know he's going to come and try to use dirty tactics in his fights. I think he's going to scare me. Nobody scares Roberto Duran inside the ring.
43 years old. I don't know how he still feels like it. I don't understand where his drive comes from because I just turned 32. I'm getting sick of this crap. I don't understand it. But I tip my hat to him with that. I just don't like him as a person. He's aggravating me.
Si Duran nga ay sumampa sa lona na buong buo ang kumpiyansa na may bit-bit na isang aligasyon na ito daw si Paz Inieza ay isang drug cheater. Makikita daw yan sa pisik ng katawan at sa estilo ng kanyang laban. Pero bago yan mga idol, sana po pakiclick po yung like, share, and subscribe. Samahan nyo na din ng notification bell button para sa iba pang mga updates. Salamat!
Out of his corner for round number 2 against Roberto Duran. Roberto Duran. Duran feels that he has control of his emotions in the ring. He says, I can fight different ways. He won't surprise me. That's the third fight. He sees himself early because he could not make weight. He is now in the second round. Inside against the man. He is keeping his distance. As he ends, it gets right back up to show Duran.
Unfortunately, itong si Paz ay naskoran ng legitimate knockdown, although ito ay isang slip, at dahil nga dito ay lalo pang lumalim ang tensyon ng laban.
Woke up Roberto Duran. I don't think the force of the punch put Paciente. Oh, now Roberto Duran trying to body Paciente. There he is in close, working the uppercuts. Talking about the element earlier.
See these shots? There's a good right hand from Pazienza.
Holding on, Duran in the closing seconds of the third. Against the ropes.
Roberto walking right through Pazienza.
Pazienza headhunting against Duran.
He stayed on the inside. He brawled with fighters. He moved up to the super middleweight division.
In the ring, a right hand that has stopped 64 victims tonight against Pazienza.
Oh, there it is.
And this is called a knockdown.
At sa kabila ng pagdomina ni Paz sa majority ng laban, ay nakasingit nga itong si Duran ng big knockdown. Agad nga itong bumawi para sabihin na hindi siya nasaktan.
This is his sixth fight.
The real business is just to be fighting. Wait, Roberto Duran at this point.
Oh, big left right. Pazienza.
Si Paz ay gumawa ng isang mapanlinlang na showboating para mawala sa game plan itong si Roberto Duran para maisingit niya naman ang kanyang game plan na right hand at mukhang nagtagumpay nga ang kanyang pag-showboating.
67 at the age of 50. Roberto Duran.
Well, successful title defenses.
Don't respect him. Throw that right hand every chance you get. Every chance you get, let that right hand go.
Sa punto ngang ito ay nakita ng kampo ni Paz ay pagod na itong si Roberto Duran at pagkakataon nga nila ito para tapusin ang laban.
Throw the right four, says Kevin Lee.
That's what Pazienza needs to work. The right hand after you step over to your right.
3 years ago, at the age of 40, against a journeyman, Duran straight straight right again.
They want Duran to turn the tempo up right now. They feel that now that Vinny Pazienza is running into him like he is, he's gotten brave once again after a few rounds.
At nakita nga ng ilan na napaghahalata na ang edad ni Duran. Kaya sa mga huling championship round ay maituturing nga na mismatch na ang laban. Kaya ito nga ang naging ticket ni Paz para manalo ng unanimous decision. Ito ngang si Duran ay hindi nasayahan sa desisyon ng laban at dahil sa kanyang pagkadismaya ay minura nito ang fighting style at pagiging madaya ni Paz dahil aniyay naka-steroids daw itong si Paz at hindi marunong lumaban kaya rematch kinakailangan.
The key to this fight is I know he can't hurt me. You know, he cannot hurt me. So knowing that, I'm gonna box when I want to box, but I'm gonna get in his face. You know, I'm gonna be right there in his face.
A lot of the flurries he threw were in the later rounds in the fight, you know, but he can't crack an egg, he can't punch, you know. A lot of that flurry he used in the later part of the fight is because I only trained 4.5 weeks for that first fight, so the last 4 or 5 rounds, you know, I need a little bit more conditioning, but that's the reason I conditioned myself for 9 weeks for this fight. So if I don't get him the first 6, I'll knock him out the last 6.
At pagkatapos nga ng 6 na buwan, muli ngang nagharap ang dalawa noong January 1995 sa Convention Hall ng Atlanta City.
For the great pressure, he didn't like to beat his opponents, he liked to destroy them, and now he knows how he really has to pick his spots, try to set up the right hand. He's looking for Pazienza for the first time in his career. Oh, a big left hand, and Duran, it looked to be wobbled here in the opening seconds.
A fighter like Roberto Duran go for an encore.
Dangerous against a speedster like Pazienza.
7-2, bang bang 2, 2-1.
Klarong-klaro nga ang instruksyon ng coach ni Paz dito na wag ulitin ang pagkakamali noong unang laban nila. Ngunit masyadong emosyonal itong si Paz at nakipag-trade na naman ng suntok kay Duran.
And the antics of Pazienza and Duran jumps right on him.
Yeah, look at these punches that miss from Roberto.
All over the place is Pazienza.
Pazienza in the trenches in this fight. He wants to sand and slug. Speed factor in this fight is a big factor. Good combination. Pazienza again scores and then moves.
It's missing in the boxing then. That's why these guys are still going strong.
Pazienza carrying that left hand low. Moving in. Good combination from Roberto. Oh, Vinny is hurt. Good right hand from Duran. Well, it doesn't. Oh, that's why.
Right. Although
Duran began boxing at 118 pounds. That's a bantamweight. Back in 1967.
Duran faded. Duran weighed in. Again, the left. In and out. Now you see him, now you don't. Pazienza in control here in round number 5.
Oh, wow. How much different this fight is. Roberto Duran has slowed to a walk.
At sa kalagitnaan ng laban, walang ka-idea itong si Duran na pinakitaan siya ng pagkakaiba ng agwat ng edad.
Pazienza still on the toes. Again, gets in, gets out. A lot of energy from Pazienza.
Roberto Duran
has been stopped just twice in his career. This is where Paz into that range with Ray Jones at ringside watching on.
He has been outpunched and outscored. Good crunching blow to the body and then over the top.
And Pazienza now ripping away the shots, upstairs, downstairs.
You can't hurt me. Vinny Pazienza.
Straight right.
Yep. Punching at will. Every shot that Pazienza throws hits the mark.
21 world title fights.
Good left hook. With Duran. Connecting upstairs.
Good left now is stirring as we work down the final second, and Pazienza is very upset. And he has hurt the hand.
At tila ba parang bangungop ito para kay Duran at bigla siyang napatahimik sa ginawa ni Paz. Parang sinampal sa kanya ang kanyang edad.
I wanted to congratulate him after the fight. You know, I mean, this might be his last fight. It's a sad day for boxing. You know, I respect the guy. He just said a lot of things about me that I don't think he should have said. Now he's gonna take up. He should go try and take up golf or something like that.
At kahit na sabihin nating dinominahan ni Paz si Duran, pero ang malaking sampal na katotohanan ay hindi si Duran ang kanyang best na preparation para kay Roy Jones. Opo, siya nga po ang main man dito. Ang pinag-uusapan po nating Roy Jones, yung prime Roy Jones. Pagkatapos ng matalo kay Roy Jones ay pinilit nga ni Paz makabalik as top contender, pero nabigo nga ito sa malalaking laban.
Against an opponent like Roy, you know, you cannot be not at your best. And I wasn't at my best.
Halos nga ng karamihan ay nag-aakalang magiging washed out lang itong si Duran pagkatapos niyang matalo kay Paz. At marami nga ang nasurpresa kasi lumaban pa ito ng 6 pa na taon. At sa 6 nga na taon na yun ay hindi masama ang pinakita.
I said Roberto Duran to me, the first thing I think about, you know, is really a legend. You know what I'm saying? Because Roberto Duran was something that you don't find in everyday boxing. I mean, his day and what he did, he was the best.